Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back. If this is not your first time, if this is your first time, welcome. Today we are working with the KES Faucet off of Amazon that I purchased for the flip house. We're back at the flip house today, and how we installed it using the Snappy trap, which we purchased at Lowe's right down the street. So I'm going to give you my review of the faucet and the Snappy trap, and just a little quick installation on how we installed it. So stick around if you want to see how we got this beautiful faucet hooked up. Alright guys, so let's get into it. Before we get started guys, if you like the video and you would consider hitting that like and that subscribe down below, that just lets YouTube know that this is a good video and that you like it, and it'll help us grow a little bit, and I really appreciate it. So if you consider it, if you want to, hit that like and that subscribe down below. Let's go ahead and get started. KES black single handle faucet. It's stainless steel, and I got this off of Amazon. I paid $49 before taxes, so under 60 bucks, like 50. So this does come in different colors. Here it is on my phone, you guys can see. Regular size is like $49, and then they have a bigger size for $69.99. And it comes in 4 different colors. So you have matte black, brushed gold, brushed nickel, and chrome. Alright guys, so I got my vanity top here already installed. Go ahead, I've already opened this, but just so you guys can see. Alright, so again, the KES, these are the instructions. Comes with instructions. Here's what you'll need. It says Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench, some tape, pipe tape, coin, and an Allen wrench. I don't know what the coin is for, but I guess it's for the aerator, if you have to take the aerator off. Alright, and it comes with the, you can register it, I guess, 3-month warranty. Alright, and here it is guys. So it comes with that little Allen wrench. This is nice. What's our face at it? Alright, so here is our faucet guys, and we don't have the aerator that needs the coin to remove, so we won't need that. But this is it guys. This is nice. This does not feel cheap, and it does not look cheap. It's pretty heavy. It's stainless steel, and it is 2.2 gallons per minute, or 8.3 liters per minute of flow. Has your top, your hot, and your cold. Alright, so we're gonna drop this in. Take this off. Alright, redo. So this isn't supposed to come off. So, no wonder it was so hard. Alright, then we slide it in. Boom. Alright. Alright, now just make sure it's straight, and we'll finish tightening at the bottom. Tape, put some on the connections. The ones on the sink were already installed prior to when they sent it out from the factory. painful to install. Looks nice. Next we are going to get the drain installed and then the P-trap. This in. And put this in from underneath. Next, I'm going to take this old trap off and replace it with the Snappy trap. Take this P-trap off. Be careful if you change it at your house. It usually has water in it. It stinks. So, boom. This one does not. This one's been so long.
Alright guys, we're using the Snappy Trap Universal Trap Kit. It's a PVC. It has flexibility. It's all-in-one kit that includes all the parts. Easy to install, no tools, no plumbing experience necessary. And it connects to 1.5 inch or 1 1/4 inch drains. And here, this is just me trying to figure out which pieces I'm going to use. It comes with a bunch of different pieces so you can make it fit any different drain type or length. And I will add an affiliate link down below, guys, where you guys can check out the Snappy Trap if you guys are looking for a new trap for one of your sinks.
Alright guys, so this piece comes with the fitting for 1/2 inch, the orange one. We're switching it to the 1 1/4 because this is 1 1/4. So we'll slide that on there. Boom.
Alright, and after what seemed like forever, I was finally able to get the pieces that would fit my drain and make it look nice. So here we are. We ended up with the long extension into the wall, the P-trap, and then the extension to the drain.
Alright, now we just gotta try it. Alright, that's it. The hardest part was the snappy trap, trying to find the pieces. This is what we ended with. The long extension arm into the wall, the regular trap, and the extension right here with the blue for 1 1/4 inch drains. Alright, we installed the drain and the sink. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. As always, I am very grateful that you took the time to watch it. I appreciate you guys subscribing, commenting. Let me know what you think down below. And if you like the video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and you can see the next video that we put up next week. So we're almost done with the flip house. We got a few more videos that I want to get out on certain things that we did and a walkthrough. But after that, we got a whole nother thing coming. So stick around, and thank you guys. Hit that like, that subscribe. We'll see you guys.